This channel neither sells nor promotes vape products with the intention of a sale. The video is intended for viewers over their respective country's legal age for vape products and use.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today will be a quick review for a new pod kit from Smok, because this one I'm vaping on right now. This one will be the new Smok Novo Eco pod kit. It's going to be a very basic pod kit, very basic packaging there, which I'll show you in a minute. But it does pack quite a few little nifty features. So yeah, what we'll do first is get onto the table, which I've already recorded earlier on, look on the box, look on the device, show you the pod, show you a few features, come back up top and we'll talk about it. I'll see you in a second. So yeah, here we are, simple packaging for the new Novo Eco kit from Smok. It says Smok at the top obviously. Picture of the Eco itself, little silver sticker here, giving a few bullet points. It says it's going to be leak proof, magnetic, flavour and longevity. This is going to use the new Novo pods. These will be the new SLR. SLR meaning spring loaded refill pods. Show that in a minute. Tells you below there about it's compatible with all of the Novo range of pods. Novo, Novo 2, Novo 2X, and obviously the new SLR ones. My one's being silver. It says Novo Eco Kit. Can't go to box too much, but the side here, a few bullet points. This pod kit has two power settings. It has either a soft or a hard. To me, that's like normal or boost. Press and fill pod, that's the SLR pod. Adjustable airflow. 1000 milliamp replaceable battery, comes out later on as a good point. And glistening RGB light. Basically, the RGB light will indicate the battery level while you're vaping it. So yeah, in the box, you get a few things. Your basic little user manual and your safety instructions. A few little bits here. Got your little QR code with a little stamp. And there's a little picture of all the Novo pods that it's compatible with. So like I said, it's compatible with all of them. The Novo Pod SLR, Novo Pod M, Novo Pod Clear, Novo Pod Original, Novo Pod 2, and the Novo Pod 2X. On the back, it shows you all of the devices that use the Novo pods. So you use all of them. I've reviewed all of these. Not the very first one. Today's going to be this one, the Novo Eco. I do have the Novo SE, which will be next week's review. So yeah, nice little card there. Shows you all the pods, all the devices it's compatible with. And then inside that bag there, box I should say, will be this little sleeve. Inside here will be your device with one pod pre-installed. This is going to be a real basic kit. There's no second pod. No USB-C charge cable. The cable is neither here nor there. We've all got them. The pod though, again, always a slight bad point, which was two pods, one inside, one spare. But this one is just one pod. So the device, at the front it just says Smok. Below that will be your LED bar. This button here, is it a fire button? It's an on and off button, and also a button to adjust your power settings. It says Novo here. This side, USB-C charge point. This side, Novo Eco. And it shows you there how to fill the pod, which I'll show you in a minute. The airflow system is a little slider. If I fully open it, you can see there a nice open channel. Slide it all the way to close. And in between, nice and adjustable. On the base, they just say CE, dose frozen bin, and UKCA. And a little air hole there for any battery venting. Like I said there in the box, this will have a replaceable battery. Then you can buy the battery separately, but it's a good idea. I'll talk more about that in the FaceTime. I like the fact that you can take the battery out and you're going to dispose of the device when the battery's gone bad totally. So as it is here, there's a little notch there for your fingernail. Put your fingernail inside there. Bit hard. Slide it up. And out comes your battery. So on the battery there is all your little warnings. Don't strike with battery with sharp edges, etc. Contact points. And this one here. This will be a 1000 mAh battery. So yeah, this device, you can take out the battery. So if the device goes bad, because battery life, they can charge maybe 300 to 400 times and eventually it will go bad. I don't know if Smok will be selling any spare replacement batteries, but if the device goes bad, you can just take out the battery, recycle the battery itself, and then throw the kit away. So that's a real good feature, and I do like that. So yeah, that's the device, plain and simple. Take the sticker off later on. So the pod, the one that comes pre-installed, will be the 0.6 ohm. Little sticker there, peel it off. My pod will hold 2 mils of e-liquid. Mouthpiece will be snap top. Snap it off to fill it up. And there will be the new SLR system. So spring-loaded, refillable pod. So as you push your nozzle on there, push down and it will actually spring down and you can fill it up like so. That'll do for now. And when you let go of that there, it will spring back up again. So it's a nice secure system, I must say. When it's filled up, just put the mouthpiece back on. If it's a new pod, leave it a good 5 minutes to saturate the cotton, which I will do. So to turn on the Novo Eco, just click the power button 5 times. Get a little flashing light show, and it is now on. That is not a fire button though, it's going to be just for turning it on, turning it off, and changing the power. I believe it's either 2 or 3 clicks to change the power, so 1, 2. That's gone to a red. It looks orange in this camera, but that's red. So red will be high power. 2 more clicks. It's gone to green. So green will be your normal power setting, and there will be like a boost setting. So it's a nice, simple kit, but it has a lot of features. It has the fact that you can adjust the airflow. Got 2 power settings. Pods are refillable, obviously always a good point. And this part I do like, the fact that you can actually take this battery out for disposing and just throw away the kit itself. Because like I said, these will go bad eventually. And if you can't buy a new battery, you can just slide it out, put it in the recycle bin, and the actual main device, throw away in the bin. So yeah, that's just a quick look at the new Smok Novo Eco. Let's go top, have a vape, have a talk. So yeah, there we are. That's going to be a quick look at the new Smok Novo Eco pod kit. Like I showed you in the unboxing, very simple packaging there. 1 device, 1 pod, no second pod, no USB-C charge cable. The cable part is neither here nor there. The fact there's only 1 pod may be a slight bad point to some people. I personally always like to see 2 pods in the kit, but it is going to be a basic kit. So you buy this one, buy a packet of pods straight away. This is going to be the new SLR pods, which is spring load refill, I think it's called. Nice and simple. Top cap snaps off. Put your nozzle on that red piece, push down on the spring, fill it up. So when you finish filling it up, it does spring close totally, making a nice airtight seal. It's going to be a 0.6 ohm one, this one. This device is compatible with all of the Novo pods in the past, but this one, I do like the SLR one. The device, it's a very simple little device, but like I said, has a good few nifty features. Airflow is controllable at the side, has 2 power settings. I say just normal and boost power settings, but the main big nifty feature I like will be the battery. As I showed you there, put your hand there, little nail, pop it out. Now I don't know if Smok will be selling a replaceable battery, but that's neither here nor there for me. A lot of pod kits I've had from a few years ago, eventually that battery does stop taking charge and that device is then useless. If it's a built-in battery, you have to throw the whole kit away in a bin, not recycle, because they won't recycle an actual pod kit. This one though, if that battery does eventually go bad, doesn't hold a charge, take out the battery itself. That battery, take to your local recycle place, put the battery in there, and then the device can go in the bin. It is a bit of e-waste, but it's not wasting a battery. So for Smok, that's a really, really good feature. I'd like to see more companies doing this in the future, I must say. And the device, it's going to be a 1000 mAh battery. That will get you through the whole day quite easy, I would say. I have not used it for a whole day. This really is going to be an out-of-the-box, first-time fill-in. But I've used a Novo pods in the past. I know the flavour. This pod, the coil, it's going to be probably the same as the last Novo I tried. Just that this one's got a spring load refill mechanism. Really, really good flavour. The airflow is nicely adjustable. That was fully open. I do it almost closed at the side. It's a slightly loose mouth to lung. This one being a 0.6 ohm pod would not be my personal favourite. I like the 0.8. I've got a lot of 0.8 ohm Novo pods, which I will try later on. So I think with this airflow control, you can do a really restricted direct to lung, to a slightly loose mouth to lung, to maybe a slightly tight mouth to lung with the other Novo pods. the 0.6 is a nice one and good flavour. And there is a little battery indicator there, that ball. It does flash to show you your battery status. So yeah, like I said, a real simple kit, real simple packaging with a lot of nice features. I have a lot of good points, only one bad point, which is going to be subjective, but be obviously one pod in the kit. USB-C charge cable is neither here nor there. Guys and girls, this was sent from Smok for review, so big thanks to them. I did get the Smok Novo Eco, and I've got the Smok Novo SE in the other room to review next week. So yeah, make sure you join me next week for that one, and I will see you all next time.